And on that note, declutter your sound library. You know, all these sounds I do use, but again, if I had like a couple more kick sounds loaded up, a couple more trillion atmospheres loaded up that I never use, one could argue it could only be better in terms of like confusion's sake to take those out the picture and just like have your elements that you always use loaded up right here. You know, again, there's this little quote that really resonated with me in terms of productivity, and it's just like you want to make the things that you want to do, that you feel like you got to do, you know, in order to get the ball rolling, in order to make progress, and whatever you want to do. You want to make those actions that you got to do as accessible to do as possible.